Today we're going to make some sandwiches. The first one goes like this. Step 1, grab your bread. Step 2, grab your sprinkles and your butter. Put the butter on the bread and then put the sprinkles on your bread. Boom, a sandwich. Alrighty, we've got our ingredients for this one. Step 1, put 2 pieces of bread together. Step 2, put 1 slice of cheese in between the bread. Put 3 slices of salad in between the bread. Flatten the bread. Good. Start by getting 1 slice of bread and spread your peanut butter on that slice of bread.
It's stuck.
Is it? Just a bit stiff? Spread it. Oh, what would make it easier to spread? Pardon?
Like this.
Yeah? Or like maybe using a tool? Yeah? Alright, is that spread out?
No.
Oh dear.
I'm not eating this sandwich.
Okay. Step 2. Grab the second slice and spread your jam. Alright, now step 3, put them together. Step 4, get a knife and cut through the middle.
I can't, my hand's too sticky.
Oh no. Step 5, enjoy. Step 1, place the bread on the plate. Step 2, put the cheese on one of the slices of bread. Step 3, spread the butter on the other piece of bread with the knife. Put the pieces of bread together and then you're done. Step 1, spread butter on one piece of bread. Put the cheese on the butter slice of bread. Then put the chicken on the cheese. Put a little bit of mayo on the other bread. Put the lettuce on the chicken. Then on the chicken. That's okay. Move it over. And then the tomato. Get the other piece of bread. And that's how you make my favourite sandwich. Put the lid on. Yummo. Step 1. Spread butter on both slices of bread. Step 2. Put a thin layer of mayo on one of the slices. And put the lettuce on the slice with the mayo. Step 3. Put the tomato and the cucumber on the same bit of bread with the lettuce and mayo. Then place your chicken on top and drizzle some mayo, more mayo, on the top of the chicken. Oh, the chicken's supposed to go on top of the tomato. There you go. That's it. Step 5. Then place your second bit of bread on top. And now enjoy your sandwich.